What's up, guys? So today we're looking at a YABO, which you can see is upside down here because I wanted to show you this corner of the box. Hopefully there wasn't any loose marbles in here. This is how this arrived. So I'm not sure if it just got damaged in shipping or if someone just wanted to see what was inside so they can have some free gifts. I don't really know. But anyway, here's the other side. It's kind of beat up as well. So we go ahead and just cut right into this. Today's EDC is that Portuguese knife, which I'm going to be doing a video on in the future. So let's make sure we don't lose anything out of this package. I don't want to show you the front because it has the person's address on it still. It's a nice note here. And looks like another note on the bottom. Alright. Not for camera. Okay. So there's open on camera and not for camera. Alright, so everything's kind of wrapped up in the middle here. See what's going on here. Very careful opening this. Okay. Save that bubble wrap. I'll use that again. All right, first let's read the on-camera note. It says, "Hi Jeff, greetings from Texas. First off, love the videos, man. I've been a subscriber since November 2010 and have seen your channel growing and you becoming an awesome person. I came across your channel while searching the Balisongs videos, and I'm glad I found it. Anyways, I recently moved to the US and thought I should bring you and Christina something. And yes, you guessed the company's name right in your text, if you remember your IG chat. I want you to enjoy this, and pretty sure it's gonna go in your collection. I hope you and Christina are doing well, especially Gus. Take care, Harris from Texas." So thank you, Harris. I really appreciate that. He sent me a little image of something that was knife related. I want to see if I can guess it. And right off the bat, I recognized it. It's a very, very cool company, and that would be Laguiole. So if I turn this over, you can see there's the little image. All right, Laguiole Knives, which I've had a couple over the years. So I'm going to say that for a second. Oh, he sent me some coins. That's awesome. And a very nice box of Lindt chocolates, some pralines. Not sure what this word means. I know praline. I don't know what that is. Maybe you guys can help me out with that. But this will go right to Christina. I might indulge in one piece or so, but she loves her chocolate every now and again. She's got a sweet tooth, so she likes nice chocolate. So that was really cool. That will certainly go to her. So yeah, let's check this out first, these coins. Love getting different coins from all around the world. It's always interesting. I try looking them up too to see, you know, what's what. There's a variety. There's a bunch of coins in here. So I'm not going to pretend to know what any of these are. I will look those up on my own time. You guys might recognize a couple. I see a franc in here. I know those. I think I have a couple of these. A half franc, 1970. But very cool. Really enjoy that. Put those in my pocket before I lose them. And let's check out this Laguiole knife. Beautiful box. And I can't read that because it's in French. Wow, this thing is beautiful. I've never seen this style of this knife before. I'm going to show you guys real quick a picture of what I'm used to when I see Laguiole knives. I don't really know if I'm pronouncing that right. It's how I've always said it. But when I've seen those knives before, this is the style that I'm used to seeing. I've also seen, like, you know, steak knife sets with a very similar style as well, with the little B that's on top, you know, the back spring. But I've never seen one quite like this. This is totally different. There's beautiful, you know, pins, inlays on that wood scale. There's some like scroll work etched on the bolster. Really, really nice. And check this out. Look at the spine. We have that vine that's going all the way up. This thing is absolutely beautiful. All right, so I zoomed in for a little better detail here. Just really beautiful. Again, you can see that vine that's on the back. I've never seen this style from the company before. And then, of course, the B shape with the knife incorporated into it. This thing is awesome. All right, so there's nail nick here. Very fine point on this one. All right, hey, 420. How about that? I'll tell you, it was funny when I was like 13. It's still funny now. But yeah, absolutely beautiful. I'm assuming 420 is the steel on this particular knife, that's why that's there. Or maybe it's the model number, I don't know. I've never seen this particular Laguiole knife before. But this was just an absolutely beautiful gift. This is a knife I will have forever. Honestly, this is going to go into my collection. It's a really, really cool representation, which I've never seen before, but it's very ornate. Just really nice. And it's super comfortable as well with those like finger choils, which I've never seen on these knives before. Thank you so much. I really, really appreciate that. That is awesome. All right, so I just read his other letter off camera there, and just a little bit more about himself and stuff. So just really personal, really nice. I greatly appreciate that. Thank you so much, man. It's very thoughtful of you. Beautiful, beautiful knife. Lovely chocolates for the wife. I just, thank you. It was very, very generous. So that's it for now. Thanks for watching, guys. Hope you have a wonderful day, and I'll see you tomorrow with another video. Take care.